thread connection button bit is mainly with the hydraulic rock drill and supporting the use of hydraulic stem and compressed through different forms of thread and stem to perform drilling operations, and is mainly used in mining, construction, tunnel excavation, steel blast furnace openings, and other fields. Thread connection button bit has the advantages of faster speed, convenient grinding, is conducive to saving auxiliary working hours, to reduce manual labor and speed up construction progress. According to the diameter can be divided into 76 mm, 89 mm, 102 mm, 115 mm, 127 mm, 140 mm, 152 mm, and so on. Generally, the diameter of underground mining is 76 mm, 89 mm, and 102 mm, and the diameter of open pit mining is 89 mm to 152 mm. Our bit is made of high-quality materials and alloys. According to the shape of the alloy, is divided into hemisphere cone, parabolic, and many other types. Conical and parabolic are used for Pitot scale of hardness F14 level below, and hemisphere are used for Pitot scale of hardness F18 level above. Professional and excellent equipment, reasonable design of slag discharge tank, advanced tooth fixation technology, devoted to create a bit of high service finish, good strength, corrosion resistance, in line with the standard of long-holding use. We learn from and absorb the advantages of domestic and foreign counterparts, and on their base we make improvement and innovation, so that the product performance is more stable, improve the life of products, well praised by the majority of users.